Hi, Coach Stephanie here. I'm a NASM certified personal trainer, UASCA, ultra running coach and yoga instructor, and welcome to this 15-minute restorative yoga flow. This is going to be focused on strength and core. We'll move through some gentle warm-up poses and targeted movements, super beginner friendly, and all you need is a mat and a comfortable place. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's begin in a seated position. Cross your shins, just let your sit bones root. Settle your shoulders right over your hips. And just push down through your seat. Go tall through your crown. And just take a deep breath in here. And a deep breath out. Deep breath in. And deep breath out. One more in here. Inhale. And exhale. Now let's try a tricep stretch. Left hand to the right elbow. Stretch it tall. And release. And let's inhale the arms back overhead again. And find a side body stretch. So right hand grounds down here. We're just going to exhale, bring that left arm up and over. Feel that stretch in your side body. Inhale, arms up again and release all the way down. And sit tall. Take a breath in here. Let's look right. Exhale, neck stretch. Inhale back to the center. Exhale to the left. Take a few more rounds on your own. Just stretching it all out. Bring your chin to the right. Back to center and to the left. Come back to center, to neutral. Let's inhale, reach the arms tall overhead. And then exhale, elbows out wide, chest open here. Hold here and half angel. And let's try that tricep stretch on the other side. Right hand to the left elbow this time. And gently pull. And release the shape. And let's inhale the arms back overhead. And find your side body stretch. Exhale on the other side. Left hand down this time. Right arm up and over. And inhale, let's reach the arms tall overhead again. And lower the arms on the exhale. Now let's find our tabletop from here. So we're just going to roll over our shins, plant your hands right under your shoulders, and lateral stretch from here. Exhale, let's draw that right shoulder and the hip together. Look right. And inhale to center. Let's exhale the other side. Left shoulder goes to the left. And keep going here on your own. Little making C shapes here with your body, kind of bringing your hip and your shoulder closer together each side. Now let's come back to your neutral spine here. Inhale to cow pose. Reach your head high and your tail high. And then exhale to cat pose. Scoop your tail under and just draw your chin towards your chest. Use your breath and flow here at your own pace, just going back and forth between cow and cat. Inhale on the cow, and then exhale on the cat. Tucking your tail under. And let's come back to our neutral and make your way onto your belly. Now from here, let's find our cobra. Peel your shoulders and chest off the mat, little to no weight in your hands. And exhale, lower back down. And let's press ourselves up and have a seat on your heels. Let's sweep our right hand behind your back, left hand to the right knee. And take a deep breath in here. Move your right shoulder back. Exhale, just twist right. And slowly unwind. Let's find the other side. Left arm behind the back, right hand to your left knee. Take a breath in here. Bring your left shoulder back and exhale, twist left. And gently unwind here. Let's plant our hands and go ahead and find downward dog on the exhale. Take a few breaths in here as you pedal out the feet here. Should feel nice. Put all the way into the heel as you bring it down close to the mat. One at a time. And let's find some stillness here in your down dog. Lower your knees and make your way onto your belly. And from here, let's find our belly Superman. So extend the arms out long out in front on the mat or floor and just engage your core. Now from here, inhale and lift the arms and legs up, up, up. Breathe into this pose. Elevate the hands just above the floor. Tops of the feet just above the mat or floor. Feel that stretch in your back. And back strength, soften down. Let's bring the arms by our sides. Go ahead and turn your chin to the left. Find a little neck stretch here. And let's find our belly Superman second round. Reach those arms out in front again. And core engaged here. Inhale, lift the arms up, lift the legs up. Balancing on your belly. And hold. Still breathing into the movement here. And soften all the way down. Exhale. Now let's bring our left cheek to the mat this time. Turn right. And Sphinx pose from here. Just gonna walk the hands forward here. Prop yourself up onto your forearms. Lift your chest. And then exhale. Let's soften all the way back down. Let's turn the chin left. Take a few breaths in here. And locust pose from here. Let's hug our belly in. Firm your tailbone down. And inhale, lift your chest. Palms facing down behind you. Lifting the tops of the feet. Squeezing your shoulder blades together. Now, if you want, you can keep your feet down. Let's go ahead and exhale all the way back down to the mat. And last round on that locust pose. Again, let's lift high here. If you want, you can keep the tops of your feet pressed down into the mat, just lifting the top part of your body, squeezing the shoulder blades together. And release the stretch. Place your hands by your shoulders. Let's press ourselves up and have a seat on your mat again. Feet in front. And let's find reverse tabletop from here. Hands behind you. Let's bring the soles of the feet flat to the mat. Lift your hips at the same time. Head back. Just putting your weight into your palms. Pressing down into the mat. Exhale. Let's release back down. And from here, let's up for half shoelace. So we're going to bring the left leg out long, step the right foot over, and then stack your knees from here. Take a deep breath in here. And let's fold as we exhale over the legs. Just forward fold here. If you can, stretch further out. Spread or curl the fingertips along your legs here, along your shin. Just forward, forward. And let's slowly rise back up. And let's find the other side. Right leg out long. Let's bring that left over to right. Stack the knees here. And inhale here. Sit nice and tall. Exhale, let's fold forward. Spider crawl the fingertips forward, forward. And tuck your chin towards your chest. And inhale, let's rise back up. And find bound eagle pose from here. So soles of the feet coming together here, just drawing the feet in close to your body. Take a deep breath in here. Let's hinge at the hips and fold forward over the legs. Exhale as you go. Inhale each time, lengthening the spine. Keep the spine long. And with each exhale, just soften down even more. And inhale, let's start to rise back up and make your way onto your back. Lower your vertebrae, one vertebrae at a time here. Draw your right knee into your chest, leave your left leg out long. And let's exhale. Let's take the knee to the left, extend your right arm out right, and just gaze right. Find that side body twist here. Release your twist. Let's find the other side now. So go ahead and lay the right leg out long, bring the left knee in, and exhale. Let's drape that left knee across your body. This time sending the left arm out to the left, just gazing left. Slowly unwind and draw your knees tightly up into your chest. Take a final breath in here. Maybe rock and roll on your spine a little bit if you'd like. And let's exhale everything back down and find your Shavasana. Just palms flipped up here at your sides. Stay as long as you want here in this pose. Thank you for sharing your practice with me.